Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm here back here with a brand new video. On today's video, we are going to be opening 5 deluxe packs and from the Match ATTAX 2018-19 season. So here is the green packs. €2. In my store it was €3, but it has 15 cards per packet. Right now we have 5 of these. So my first deluxe packs of this season. Let's see if we can get anything good from them. So we're going to start opening it now. I already opened one of them. I got the West Ham badge, Mitrovic, Ederson, and so let's go on to the first one. Alright, Tottenham defender, it's all derailed. So the 100 clubs I'm searching for is N'Golo Kante and Yang Vertonghen. Those are the only 200 clubs I need. So we got all derailed. Oh my god, I got the Wolves badge. Please tell me I got the Wolves badge. So I got Lee Peter, Jonathan Hogg, Ryan Sensingen, Paul Pogba, Dominic Solanke, Rising Star for Liverpool. Eden Hazard, nice swap. And the Wolverhampton Wanderers badge. Come on! This is actually the badge I need for my collection. Ios Perez, already have him, but it would be a good swap. Asmir Begovic for Bournemouth, a keeper. Goodmanson for Burnley, not doing quite well this season. Well, beating Tottenham was a huge win, I have to admit. Shkodran Mustafi for Arsenal. Sam Vokes for Burnley. David Brooks for Bournemouth. And then Felipe Anderson, away kit card for West Ham United. So that leaves us with 4 more packs to go. Let me just read the odds here, if it has actual odds. Club Crests is in 1.1 packets. 100 clubs is in 1 in 5 packs. So hopefully we can get 100 club. We have a midfielder from Liverpool. I'm going to leave that till the end, and a defender from Man United. So this is it. I feel shine. I feel the foil. Ruben Neves and Arsenal badge and Benjamin Mendy. I have them already, but very good swaps once again. Very nice swaps. Rising Star for Crystal Palace. Patrick Van Aanholt. Sorry. Digital packet card. Possession, take back control for the next round. Nice tactic card. Oliver Giroud. Shinji Okazaki had a very good season with Leicester last season. Very high ratings on the Match. Andre Gomez. Eric Dyer, James Milner for Liverpool, Willian for Chelsea, the best penalty taker, I think. Max Meyer and Diego Rico. So that leaves us with 3 more packets. Hopefully we can get 100 clubs. And we got a silver limited edition Jordan Henderson. What a pull! Still, I already have that, but a very good swap once again. And Ashley Young, man of the match, already have that, but very good swap. What a pull. Let's go. Alright, so this is our next pack. That could be the pack. It's David De Gea, fan favourite. Thank God that wasn't 100 club, thank God. Because then that would be the only 100 club I was getting. James MacArthur, nice swap. Actually, Whoopi, I do not actually have, and a very good player for Arsenal this season. Joe Rowles, Gabriel Jesus, Junior Hoylett, Westerbadge, Meza Ozil, Dale Stevens, injury card, nice tactic card. Oh my god. Who is he? I don't know. He plays for... Oh, I can't pronounce his name. I don't even know who that player is. Ben Gibson, Alfie Dawson, Ryan Bennett, and Jesse Lingard for Man United. Oh my god, I don't have my United jersey on. Alright, 2 more packs. Please get 100 club. Young Vertonghen or N'Golo Kante would be ideal. Let's go. Alright. With power and precision. And we do get Aguero. Oh my god, I'm so safe. I'm so saved. Oh, we have a midfielder from Southampton. That's going to be good. Pereira for Watford, away kit card. Leon Balogun, Kasper Schmeichel. Dubravka for Newcastle. Andrew Sherrill. And I got the base card of the beast, Helmontino. Joel Matip. Cesc Fabregas, former Barca player, brilliant player. Jamie Vardy. Chelsea badge. Javier Hernandez. Will Hughes. Lassie Stuart Armstrong. So those are the players, and I'm left with 1 pack. 1 pack. Alright guys, last pack. Look, please. I'm going to open it from the front. And defender for Chelsea. It's scratchy. Oh, please don't be 100 club. Please don't be 100 club. Please tell me it's not 100 club. Then Tossin, Stephen Davis, Lamela, Wilshere, FC Bournemouth badge. Oh my god, I feel it, and it is Raheem Sterling, and that's David Luiz away kit. Oh, I already have Raheem Sterling, but once again, what a swap. I'm so sad. It's Raheem Sterling. Oh, no luck, but hey, I got a silver limited edition and 100 club. Not a 101 club, 100 club, and Jordan Henderson. So second best of what they range in. And this forward, oh, my first or second man of the match for Cardiff, it's Kenneth Sahur. And let me see if no, he doesn't have any useful stats except for his skill is 85, but doesn't have a chance really in coping with it. So Schindler and one favorite Nathan Ake. What a pack! If 5 packs. Walk away with no smile on my face once again. That was not worth €18. Not at all. Raheem Sterling 100 club. If I didn't have Raheem, it would be brilliant. But really, I was just focusing on getting Yang Vertonghen or N'Golo Kante. Come on. Find a better way. I need to think up of someone. How do I swap Raheem Sterling 100 club? Alright. I will swap you. I will swap you. Because I already have him. So I'm going to swap you. Yep. I'm going to swap him. And it has to be a good swap because it's Raheem Sterling. So guys, that is all for today's video, guys. We walk away with a smile on our face, but nothing that I don't have already. So, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Click that red button down there. It changes color. It actually does. Click it. Alright, so subscribe. Get me to 150 subs. And thanks for 100 anyway. I just can't believe that we're 100 strong. So, thanks for watching this video. Walk away with a smile on my face, but they're doubles. But still, goodbye guys. And now, as always, I'll see you in the next video.